Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your phone can receive SMS and is not blocked by carrier filters. Enter your mobile number in account settings under Security and choose your country code carefully. Once done, request the verification code and leave the screen open while the SMS arrives. If you don't get a message within 2 minutes, cancel and retry. Make sure airplane mode is off and signal is strong. This prevents wasted attempts and keeps the account secure as you proceed. You'll enter the code exactly as received. Don't add spaces or extra zeros. If it fails, use the resend option and wait a full minute before retrying to avoid rate limits. Make sure you use the correct country code and that the number isn't a VO IP or temporary line, because Roblox rejects those. Once you've tried resending twice, check with your carrier for SMS blocking and confirm your phone can receive short codes or international messages. You confirm success when the phone shows verified in Security. If verification still fails, try a different trusted mobile number you own, then repeat the process. Sometimes carriers or number type cause rejections. If problems persist, collect timestamps, exact error messages, and screenshots, and contact Roblox support, explaining you followed steps and include your account ID. One key troubleshooting tip: temporarily switch to another cellular network, or SIM, to rule out carrier-level SMS filtering before escalating to support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.